The goal is just to take action. It doesn't matter if you're making mistakes. It doesn't matter kung mali yung action mo. Basta mag-action ka. Why? If you do something, there's a huge chance that you will make a mistake. And mistakes means feedback. Mapupunta ka sa tinatawag na feedback loop. If you are in a feedback loop, you will know, ito pala yung mali ko. Now, alam mo na yung gagawin. Hanggat di ka nagtitake ng action, hindi mo malalaman ano yung mali, ano yung tama. Especially what works for you. Sino dito ang gustong mag-create ng content for their businesses? Businesses or promoting a personal brand or, okay. When you start your content, anong pinaka-ino-overthink natin? How to start? Mali. Next, ano kayang i-create kong content? Is it vlog? Is it UGC? Is it testimonial? Is it my hair? Is it my smile? Hindi ka na, gaya, nagdalata. So, kakaisip mo, nakapag-create hindi. For your notes, perfection is the enemy of good enough. Nag-overthink ka for 1 week. Imagine nyo lang nag-overthink ka ng video na gagawin mo for 1 whole week. Nakakreate ka ng isang napakagandang video. Pero may isang creator, in 1 day nakagawa siya ng 10. Tapos tinry niya lahat. Lahat yon hindi perfect. Pero who will succeed in marketing? Yung 10 content per day o yung isang maganda? Exactly. And sooner or later, after several months, yung 10 yung content per day, ang ganda na ng content nun. Tapos sanay pa siya sa volume. It's just action.